Kubi.
And Swiss ekhaya upheke oh.
Nhlobo.
Kodwa ulazi.
Ngilazi ngokuthosa iqanda ekseni. Mhlawumbe mafunenhlanga kuthiwa naw maVN. IVN.
Oh, I know. I understand.
Otherwise mfana ngiyalinda sekuphakiwe sonke.
Uphambili. So ubhekene nezitsha wena phela nje kahle kahle.
Abasana bekhona. Abasana bekhona.
And people will leave dishes like to pile up. And I'm just like, bro,
24 people.
Yeah.
The only time you kiss you betlali order. Jojo is straight.
Yeah, Jojo handled it. Yo, she was like,
but Jojo silent now.
Jojo is
so she handled. She was like the only dog.
For breakfast. I'm like,
Hey, mama, I say bite. I share microwave. You can microwave 2 days. I'm gonna go oven 2 days.
And that's my thing. Because you know that you're not gonna eat this again. You understand?
I want a hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. This is 3 days old. Hot chocolate.
It's like even the concept you would after eating, so that you don't pile up the dishes. Simple. Because you know that there's people on kitchen duty. Like my chat is, come on,
just
wash your dish.
No, I don't hate anyone. I love everyone.
But you know who loves the kitchen?
Why are you guys asking these questions?
Jesus is my savior. I love everyone.
But you know who loves the kitchen? Akwani B.
She
loved the kitchen, eh?
So you want the bars or you want the bars?
I was like, you know what? As long as you handle the kitchen, I'm good. I've never cooked for 24 people, so hey.
Guys, please watch basketball.
From the get-go, I'm like,
basketball's like the best
shit. I'm used to cooking for. You
gotta watch basketball.
1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't cooked for 24 people, so.
Playoff Lucas better. Thank you. Playoff Lucas. There's no way.
I get that. But all I'm saying is that Playoff Butler. I don't know if you know Playoff Butler.
I get it too.
It's a Butler man.
Butler.
Okay, let's do it like this, ne? Bear. Let's see. Yeah, that's you. Hey, boss, I did there, man. Kupuga, young man.
Quality of a shit.
Yes. I'm a light skin. Guys, I've been saying to people that she's light skinned.
Picture me, I'm a dark skin. I'm a dark skin for the people.
What kind of contrast? Okay, obviously light.
You guys are both
light.
Yo, both light skin.
Yeah, that. She's light skinned.
So are you guys in the pandemic boy still on?
You?
Hey, we are papa, man.
Hey.
We are speaker, man.
I don't know what a banana boy is.
It's you guys.
Who?
Who's
a banana
But
boy?
Blue, how did that
I've
get
seen banana boy,
I
man.
understand the shoot. I still
Same,
when I ask people who think, okay, why are you saying banana?
Oh, we might as well do banana.
It's unfounded things.
Where's my phone?
For me, but
in my room, when you cable land.
Okay.
Yeah, just take the extension and then. Right, yeah. Yeah, just disconnect it from Lapo and then. Hey, cable yako Wi-Fi. Yeah. Do you have your cable? You can't out the cable lap. We side table lap go clear. That is of choke, but he has span. Think. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, it's under work here. Yeah.
How was it though? Because
painful dog. But I see, and I'm on the Mazina Tisha Swiss. I'm
a farmer praise.
It's crazy.
So much pain. But let's see what we can do for you. Let's see what we can do for you.
I don't want to take out my chain right now. I don't want to. Hey! I want to keep now. Come on, I'm going to say, I'm going to keep. udokotela wathi lawa engawashiya lawa ama-fans.
Hayi odokotela basemaritzburg abafunda ukudokotela. Bafuna ukudokotela college. Odokotela basemaritzburg hayi. Ulungisa amazinyo.
Ngiyalungisa lawa manje kodwa
Because even if nokuthi mhlawumbe uneyihwanda, you have to share one.
They all just gonna go back to normal.
Because now you can't fix one.
For these ones to come forward.
awahlalele phezulu.
Ufuna distance.
Bazongisaba ngempela. Ngithi ngiqhaba sizohlafuna lo. Sihlafuna lo. Uzohlafuna ke lo bese ingane yakhe siyitetela right ngane.
But you also mentioned something in the house, Uguti. You don't want to do it because you mentioned something which you want to for your nephews.
Yeah, because she had the same things as mine. So I'm like, hey, you can still be cool.
Yeah.
You can still be rocking out with the motherfucking fans, nigga. You know what I mean, nigga. You know me, nigga.
So I cramp up, boy.
How come you come?
J Squad. Yeah. Hey, what we just got that Hey, big time.
Hey, just got
Yabo nje uSwiss ngendlela angakwazi ngakupheka ngabona ukuthi umpompi kade uvuliwe akwazi ngokufaka.
Why am I catching strays, guys?
That's the kitchen, Jay. When
No, we actually need to teach him how to cook one of these days.
Because I'm not perfect as well, but I put my weight, dog.
Somala sikutshele wena wenze yonke into.
What obviously I sifike kwi level kaMpro Eva.
Inyama ngizoyitaste kodwa lapho.
Thank you. Akakhiphe lamazinyo ne? Ngiyavuma nami. Akakhiphe. We're making beef bones with istambu, but it's not istambu. It's not istambu. We're just gonna put lamatin lawa akahulwethu. I also got a ponchis there. So I just wanted to add, because here mostly there's samp and not enough beans. So I just added this tin. So it's gonna be nice.
Oh, by the way, guys, the only thing Swiss can do is open a can and then I tell it. That's the only cooking he does.
Hello, Jojo.
Jojo, join her. Oh, how do you invite someone in this thing?
Hey, mina mfethu yazi mina lezi zinto zokuinviteana mina mfethu ngayiye accept ama request khona umuntu wafika washaya indlwabu la ku live yami.
Hayi.
Serious. Angiphindanga accept abantu kodwa phela uJojo ke kayenza.
Indaba nezinto engasile kodwa emphakathini.
Yazi istima sakho wafowethu. Kumele ube nestima uma umuntu yazi.
Mase nithi ngizobona izulu. Yo, that would be so cringe, man.
Bro, I was shook.
That is cringe, perverted, like
everything. What are you doing?
Bro.
What are you doing?
That is crazy.
What are you doing?
Guys, vulani podcast. Ngampela ni vulani podcast.
That's yeah.
Nesigisi naso kugona. Ngoba phela isigisi lapha endlini ya Big Brother le season le. Hayibo. Saze sasikasi isingisi. Hey.
What do you mean?
Because bebepapa nje. Bebeyidamzela ngesingisi. Hayibo.
It's just banter. It's just banter.
What do you mean?
No, shiny podcast.
What do you mean?
No, it's
No, ngizobafundisa ukushaya vlog yonke into.
Yes,
Khuleka.
fundisa.
JJ, sing for us, JJ.
What's him invited? I'll tell you. Nama chaka.
Chaka.
Chaka. You are lying, man.
Manje ubajaka yini sebethi manje lo Joyanda.
Hey.